Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's RN Crochet here. Thank you so much friends for continue subscribing, watching, liking, commenting, and also for sharing my videos. If you are new subscriber here, welcome, and if you are returning subscriber, welcome back too. If you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube, please consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so when I upload a new video you get notified. So far friends, we are now 1000 subscriber. Thank you so much for showing me your love. I feel so humbled and grateful to God. So let's get in today's video. We are going to learn how to crochet a very simple baby beanie, and I'm using 4.0 millimeter hook. Already I have chained my 35 chains. It is a newborn size, so chain 35, just chain 35 chains, yeah. And if you are using a Chucky yarn, you can also use 4.0 millimeter hook or 5 or 4. You can use 4.50 millimeter hook. So to me, I'm using a double yarn, and I have already chained my 35 chain. Let's get started. So I'm going to add one more chain. I have 36 chain. So I'm going to skip the first chain and get into second chain, and I do a single crochet. I like that. Again in the next chain, single crochet. In the next chain, single crochet. Continue working single crochet. I'll meet you here at the end. I'm done with my first row of single crochet. So in the next row, which is our second row, we are going to start by chaining one and turn. Now we are going to work on a back loop single crochet. On a back loop, we are going to use this line. Because we have two lines here, we are going to use this line at the back only. I have already chained my one chain. Let's do our back loop single crochet like that. Again, one back loop single crochet, back loop single crochet, back loop single crochet. So continue working. I'll meet you at the end. That is how our single crochet of second row is looking like. In our third row we are going to chain one and turn. It is only a repeat of row. This project is a repeating of row. What we did in our first row, second row, that is what we are going to work on all the way until we finished this beanie. It's very easy and quick and best for beginners. You can use this pattern or stitch to make a sweater, a baby sweater, or even adult size, a scarf, leg warmers, even a blanket. You can use this stitch too. Like that. Continue working until you have a total row of 60 rows. So I'll meet you after having 60 rows of single back loop single crochet. So I'll be back. I'm now on my 43 low. I'm almost. Friends, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, share, and don't skip the advert. Please don't skip the advert. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed yet, kindly consider subscribing and turn on that notification bell, so when I upload a new video you get notified. I'm still working. I'm almost at my 60th low. So far around 45 there. Finally, I'm done with my 60 rows. And how to count these rows in a easiest way or easy way, we are going to start counting here, then we multiply by 2 because each row has 2 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So if you multiply 30 times 2, that is 60 rows. And make sure when you add your row, your hook should be on this side. Here is where we started our row and we headed on this row at this side. So let's join our beanie. To join, you can use any side to join. So get into the next chain and the other side of the chain, slip stitch. I'm using back loop to join. So continue. I'll meet you at the end. I have finished and I cut my yarn and I leave a long tail to join this part. I'm using this needle. It's come with a crochet hooks to join this upper side. I'm going to start on this side, like that. You see how nice it is. So continue joining. Here is our beanie. You see how good and nice it is. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly consider subscribing, like, comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye for now.